Hey, I saw you had some Euro headlights for an E28 for sale. They still available?
Yeah, they are.
Alright, great. How much for the set?
With shipping, about $1,200.
What? Over $1,000? I could literally fly to Europe and buy them there for that much.
Alright, well, why don't you just go do that instead?
Finally arrived at the home base here in Italy. Clemente could not wait. He already took a nice dive in the pool. But look at that view, man. Cannot beat that. For tomorrow, we already found somebody to buy these headlights off of. They're about an hour or two away from where we are, and I will not be telling you where I am. But hopefully everything goes good tomorrow and these headlights are in good condition, because I don't think the guy that I'm buying them from knows what he has. So we'll just cross our fingers. Middle of nowhere, Italy, and we're just about to be there. I'm not going to tell you the price of these headlights so far, but we already know we're getting a banging deal. As long as they're there and we didn't drive all this way for nothing, we're already in good shape.
Fingers crossed.
These guys are going to destroy the car. These guys were going to destroy the E28.
Here's the Butte. How you feeling?
Well, here it is. They were about to crush this car, dude.
It's in great condition. A little clean up will do this thing wonders.
And guess what they have inside? A crackless dash. A perfect crackless dash. I'm not sure if I can be able to save this thing and bring it back to America, but I'm going to do my best to do that.
Yo, what about the spoiler? This is a 520.
Oh wait, this is a different spoiler too. I think that's a Zender kit for some reason, but it's got no side skirts. But honestly, all we're here for is those headlights and maybe these bumpers if we're lucky enough to get them for a good deal. I gotta see what I can do about that dash, because it's in perfect condition. Look at that. This guy has no idea what he's got in his junkyard right now. So we'll do our best to save it. At first, I was confused why the grills wouldn't pop out, but that's until I realized that the Euros included a couple hidden screws holding it in, unlike the US ones. But obviously, my cousins still had to make fun of me for it.
Hey. So guys, finally he found the screw.
Just like that, just like that. After that, it only took a couple Phillips head screws to take out the headlights, but man, were they stuck.
Oh. You got it?
I got it, I got it.
It's my dog.
These are not the US spec, so they're a little difficult to take out. There we go. Lasciami che scassa una mano dopo.
2, 4, 3,
Just like that.
Let them see it.
Haha! Just like that.
Yes, sir.
They look so beautiful, don't they?
Uh-huh.
Alright.
There's one.
One more to go.
We got Chen's dripping out here. Me and Biagio relaxing. You're doing a good job, buddy. Keep it up.
Ah, thank you.
They call this the Italian way. One guy works, two guys watch.
Yeah. That's it. Yeah.
Just like that.
And we got it.
Only took an hour.
Yep. Good job.
Let's get out of here.
So, at the end, we ended up walking away with 2 sets of the Euro spec headlights, the grill inlets for the headlights, a couple screws, wire connectors.
Let's just hope they work.
Yep. Can't forget we took the BMW emblem, but they don't know about that.
Oh, look at that. I'm like Santa Claus out here. I got the bag full of the goods. Where do you want to go next? Where do you want to go next? 200 kilometers later, and we're finally back in my hometown, and the headlights have been officially secured. I still can't get over how nice they look with the oversized bulbs, but man, have these headlights seen better days. Once I'm back in the States, these things are going to require a well-deserved full restoration before we can mount them up to the car. But since I'm still here in Italy, I thought you guys would like to see my ride.
My ride.
Enough of that. Just like that, we're already back in the States. I ended up putting my headlights right in my carry-on so they would be nice and safe. Since we're here, I might as well show you what the Euro headlights look like compared to the US ones. I can't believe I went through all this trouble for such a similar pair of headlights, but when it comes to cars, it's all about the fine details. Like I said before, these lights are going to need a full restoration and it's wiring situated, but all that can be handled in the next video. But I know what everyone's wondering. How much did I pay for these headlights? Was it really worth flying all the way to Italy? And the answer is yes. At the end of the day, I only ended up paying about 150 euros for the whole set, which is an absolute steal. I hope you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe if you want to keep up with the restoration project. But with that said, this episode is over. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.